just want to come on here to see how this silk lined, pre-stuffed, pre-tied head wrap came out after being washed in the wash machine and dried in the dry machine. Okay, as you can see, it is inside of this wash bag that all of them come in. We got water. Okay, so let's speculate how it's going to come out.
What?
Yeah, this is it looks crazy, I know, it looks crazy, but we are going to fix it real quick. So I'm gonna take this off. Right, this is the black pre-tied one, like the most roundest head ever. I'm gonna start off by putting back the grip heavy on. So let's do that. Make sure it's where the fibers lift, and then here we are. So it's looking mad wild, honestly. Like don't panic. Don't panic. We are about to put it right back together. The Velcro that you see is going to guide you into where to spread out the wrap around the bun. Okay, so let's do that right now. Let's just put it on our heads. Put it on. Alright, we'll put it on. Right. And after that, we're going to tuck in the bun. Right. See that it's already come together slowly but surely. And where we see the Velcro, we just want to spread. I'm going to spread the wrap over it to cover those areas. Yeah, you see that? So we're going to spread it here. And over here, I'm going to spread it. I'm going to spread the wrap again on this side. Okay, so it's really just about spreading the, I like to call them arms of the wrap. So let's just spread the arms of the wrap. Okay, and as you can see, we are coming back into life right now. Okay, so that's good. We put it over. So it's just all about just spreading it out, okay? So don't get nervous. All you have to do is spread it out, and you are good to go. Okay? Spread it out, fluff whatever you need to fluff. And there you go. Okay? And it is good to go, guys. And it's a wrap, okay? So after it looking like that to this now, do the back. Go to the back. Oh, and there you go. Okay. And you can just simply put it back on our heads accordingly. Okay. We can go all the way to the front, or we can move it towards the back.